Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore customer support routing with Zendesk, full guide step by step clearly. The first step is to log in to your Zendesk account. Once logged in, navigate to the admin panel. In the admin panel, locate the channels section. Under channels, click on talk or messaging, depending on your setup. Next, find the routing tab within the talk or messaging settings. Click on Routing to proceed to the Customer Support Routing options. Here, you will see various routing options available for your configuration. If you need to restore a previous routing setup, look for the Restore Defaults option. Click on Restore Defaults to revert to the original routing settings. Confirm the action when prompted to ensure you want to restore the defaults. After restoring the defaults, check the routing priorities for your support channels. You may want to customize the routing rules to fit your current needs. To do this, select Add New Rule in the routing settings. Define the criteria for your new routing rule. Specify the conditions under which tickets will be routed to different agents or groups. Once all conditions are set, assign the appropriate teams for handling these inquiries. Review the routing configuration to ensure all settings are accurate. Save your changes to implement the new routing setup. You may wish to run some test tickets through the system. This helps ensure that routing works as expected. Monitor ticket assignments to verify that the routing is functioning correctly. Make any adjustments as necessary based on the test results. Once satisfied, your customer support routing will be fully restored and operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.